Home educators using Purple Mash have access to exciting and engaging curriculum content to motivate and inspire their children to learn and make progress. Accessible on any device with internet access, these resources really will enhance home education in a safe and secure place for your children. Beginning with your youngest learners, Mini-Mash is an immersive environment aimed at allowing children to develop in all areas of the EYFS framework in an exploratory way. They have access to resources and can begin to assign them specific content while utilising the topics area to easily be able to schedule activities for them to complete. You can move seamlessly between the different platforms by clicking on the switch option and reverting back to Purple Mash. And here is where you can work with your children aged 5 to 11, exploring the subject and topic areas that help link to the learning that you're doing at home with your children. You'll also find within the teachers area at the top is a perfect place for you to find our schemes of work for computing, online safety, spelling and grammar. What's particularly handy is whichever country you are teaching the curriculum of, you'll find that we've mapped out all our resources to link to that curriculum guidance. For example, if you're teaching science for Year 4 and we're doing animals including humans, you'll find that you've got your national curriculum objectives here and then the links to the relative activities right next to it for you to explore. What's brilliant is that all of the activities can be customised to suit the level of challenge for your children. You can edit any of the pre-made resources to make sure that the level of challenge is best suited to your children at home. What's particularly handy is that all of the activities within Purple Mash come with these really useful built-in video tutorials showing you how you can use and adapt all the resources as necessary. The comprehensive range of tools you have available to you within Purple Mash allow you to explore creatively across all areas of the curriculum. As you can see here, there's a huge range to help children develop the skills in a cross-curricular approach to develop their understanding of English, maths, art, science, music, and so on. As well as a host of curriculum games that help develop understanding for maths, grammar, English, programming and early years with Simple City resources, you'll find that we also have a really great area for children to help develop their understanding of non-fiction texts. We've partnered with Dorling Kindersley Learning to provide all these rich texts for children to develop their understanding of science, history and geography. What's brilliant about these is that for every text, the children not only have access to the spread, but they also have a whole host of different themed activities that link directly to the content within these rich texts. It's also really easy to set these activities for the children to complete. And it couldn't be easier for your learners to receive the activities you set for them. By scheduling to-dos, children can easily be notified, access the activity, and then get cracking straight on with any work that you set for them. All children's work is stored within their own work area. In here, they'll easily be able to find the work that you have set for them that they've completed, as well as any further work that they might have done themselves within Purple Mash, or maybe they might have uploaded from elsewhere. Children also have the chance to explore for themselves, to either navigate through the different subjects and topics areas, or to search for particular topic themes that you might be exploring at home. Not only are there resources for up to 11-year-olds, but we also have access to Python in Pieces. This is our text-based coding resources aimed at upper Key Stage 2 into Key Stage 3. This is an exciting place where children can develop and refine their understanding of coding, taking them on to the next level in lots of self-guided activities and pre-created lessons that they can work through.
In this lesson, you're being introduced to the layout of Python in Pieces.
As a home educator using Purple Mash, you have the added benefit of utilising all the extra support that comes alongside your access. As well as having a really useful support area where you can get online help and look at further videos, You also have access to our professional development area, where you can get one-to-one personalised guidance via phone calls or online meetings with our CPD team by clicking and requesting a free MASH chat, as well as finding further resources such as a training platform, links to webinars, and all of our really handy how-to guides that can be stored on our 2Simple TV YouTube channel. We're sure you'll agree you have access to amazing resources within Purple Mash, and we're here to make sure that you get the most out of it.